Every landscape holds secrets. Ancient histories, current dramas, and clues of what's to come are inscribed on the earth and on the bodies of every organism on Earth. And knowing just a little about even one plant species can start to make some of these mysteries more legible. This is the California fan palm, Washingtonia foliifera, the only palm native to California, found only in pockets of moisture in the desert, frequently along the San Andreas Fault, where earthquake-cracked bedrock allows water to percolate to the surface from below. And aside from providing essential habitat to bats, birds, snakes, coyotes, and bighorn sheep, California fan palms also open a window into the California of 10,000 plus years ago. See, this is a petiole, the part of a plant connecting the leaf to the stem. And you can see that this one has a lot of jagged teeth or spines. These spines, which are pretty sharp, exist on all of the petioles under about 45 feet in height. Above that height, they essentially disappear. But why? A possible answer, originally posited by James Cornett in 1986, takes us back to a very different California. Because while it makes sense for the palm to protect itself from herbivores using these jagged spines, and it also makes sense for the plant to save energy by losing the spines when it gets tall enough to go beyond the reach of those herbivores, it doesn't make sense for this to happen so very high off the ground. Nothing alive today in this region could reach anywhere near those heights. Nothing alive today. But over 10,000 years ago, this place was home to massive Columbian mammoths, giant ground sloths, and even a camel that stood 7 feet tall at the shoulder. Many of these species could have easily killed a fan palm had they eaten too much, too close to the singular growing point at the top of the tree. Only once high in the air, out of reach of these creatures, would the palms no longer need spines. And now, when we walk California's desert landscapes and see spiny petioles, we can remember that we're walking quite literally in the footsteps of giants.